Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. We're over here at Starcar and we're going to be going inside in a moment to check out the intrepid crew as they build a pretty straightforward Dodge Charger. It's for a local department here in the Pacific Northwest, and we're going to go in and see what Danny and Devon are up to. Let's go inside right now and check it out. So guys, you've got a Dodge Charger here, a white one, which has been set up as a PD vehicle. Now this is somewhat different than in the past because this one came with a pre-wire harness from Dodge. And how have you been finding that as far as putting it together?
It's a little different.
A little different?
Yeah.
Okay. So it also came with the console as well, included in the vehicle?
Yeah, it came with the Havis.
Tray in the back?
Yep.
Okay.
Console and tray by Crown North America.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And the light bar you guys put on from this respect, I know, did it come with some lighting as well, or was that different?
It came with the corner vertex and other lighting options, but they didn't opt for them, so we added the other lights.
Other lighting as well.
Yeah.
You put radar as well in the back of this, I see.
Yeah, it's got a forward and back facing radar antenna.
Okay, and this is an ongoing project, obviously?
Yep. Not too far out from completion, but yeah, ongoing.
Ongoing. So you're hoping to get this finished probably today, tomorrow?
Yeah, today. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so we're actually off.
Oh, you guys getting it off?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then we'll be back on Thursday, Friday.
Oh,
so
we're working. That's not fair. Let's have a look at the car anyway. Let's swing around here.
yeah, I think.
So Danny, you put the screen in the back of this vehicle?
Yeah, we put the screen in and the gun rack.
Right. And then what siren control is this going to get in this one?
It has a code 3
VCOM. So up the front of this vehicle, did they actually put, you just put in a siren speaker, SA315P, but did you put anything else in it?
No, it came with the siren speaker.
Oh, you already came with the siren speaker included?
Yeah.
Great. So it just basically came with the hideaway siren speaker, pull-out tray, as we said earlier. And you guys added in the screen in the rear seat.
Yep.
And the dome lights, did you put those in, or they come as well?
Those were in there.
In the car too?
Yeah.
Okay. And just basically the weapons mount system is what you've been putting in, and just putting in the radios and everything else that goes as far as in the console.
Yeah. And we put in the data 911 on the pull-out tray.
Did you put rear taillight flasher in this one, or
it has the OEM.
OEM.
Yeah.
You got the car completely finished by the looks of it now.
Yep.
So you got the MDT inside it. And they're using a Data 911 in there, and then you've got the VCon controller tied in as well. You've got the Liberty mounted up on the roof. Let's light her up and see what she looks like.
That's position 1.
So position 1 has got the amber to the rear. And then on position 2, bar's fully operational, with the exception of the forward-facing takedowns, which we'll see in a minute. Then you got your vertexes going on the corners here. And then you've tied into that the back flash. So this again is true the vehicle itself.
Yeah.
So in other words, you didn't put a module inside there. And then on position 3, what do you have?
All I have is wigwags.
So they didn't flash the forward-facing takedowns on this particular vehicle?
No, they didn't want those.
Again, this is used out in a pretty rural area, so I think they probably didn't want to have it too bright to the front. Hit oncoming traffic too hard. Well, Danny, thank you very much for taking us on this little tour.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Well, there you have it. A look at the building of a white Dodge Charger. Danny being the crew chief, with Devon occasionally sticking his head in to make sure that Danny was okay, which he usually is. And that was a nice build by the gang. Pretty straightforward, simple equipment, all available on SIRENNET, so you can go ahead and check the parts out. And again, many thanks for watching SIRENNET Television. I'm Stuart.